Hi everybody, Andy here with eTrailer.com. Let's take a real quick look at this Pacbrake Alpha XD Pro rear axle double convoluted airbag suspension kit with internal Jounce bumpers. Now this kit has been designed for your 2014 and newer Ram 2500, both the two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive models. And I want to let you know that this will not fit factory air suspension models, and this may not fit some Ram 2500 Power Wagon applications. But on custom fit parts such as this kit, I do recommend taking advantage of our vehicle fit guide here at eTrailer.com. Input the year, make, and model of your vehicle, and our fit guide will confirm if this kit will work for you or if we have something comparable that will work for you. So as you know, when the load gets heavy, your truck is going to need more than just those factory rear springs hanging on for dear life. These bags are going to add up to 7,500 pounds of rear axle support. It's going to help keep your truck level and steady even when the trailer is loaded, the bed is packed, and the miles are long. So no more rear end sag throwing off your braking and steering or your headlights pointing up into the sky. Now bottoming out doesn't just feel rough, it can wreck your airbags. That's why this system does include internal Jounce bumpers, and on your screen I'm putting a photo there showing you what that is going to look like on that cutaway there. And so even with no air pressure, your suspension has a built-in safety net with those internal Jounce bumpers inside of each of these bags. You can safely run at 0 psi when unloaded, which means no harsh rebound, just smooth factory-style ride. Now, as you know, every haul is different. That's why these air springs are going to give you full control over the ride height and firmness with adjustable air pressure from 5 to 100 psi. So if you're hauling a fifth wheel or a full bed of gravel, you're going to be able to easily crank up the pressure. And then when you're unloaded and you're heading home, you can drop it back down for a softer ride. With the manual inflation valves included, along with the airline, tuning your suspension for the day's work is going to be very easy and straightforward. Now, extreme hauling does demand extreme durability, so these springs are built with 1-inch thick corrosion-resistant end caps. You're not going to be able to see those end caps because of these roll plates here, but the end caps are going to be embedded here into these roll plates. But I do have them kind of loosely assembled here just to kind of give you an idea of what this is going to look like installed on your vehicle. But not only do you have those corrosion-resistant end caps, but these bags are reinforced with 20 internal support wires for maximum strength under that load. I mentioned these roll plates. These are heavy-duty roll plates, and they're going to protect the bags from chafing and extend the lifespan. And then these also have custom fit powder-coated steel brackets that are going to fight back against rust and road salt and rough seasons. So if it's bitter cold or if it's scorching heat or mud-slick job sites, this system is made to outlast whatever the road is going to put out, mile after mile and load after load. Now these precision laser-cut custom-fit brackets are designed to bolt cleanly to your truck's existing mounting points without welding or drilling to your frame. Includes all the hardware here that you're going to need to get these installed into place. And just as a side note, I do want to mention how I am impressed with the premium quality of this kit. These brackets have a great powder coat finish on them. Other airbag systems that I've looked at in the past, they have their strengths, but the finish isn't always great, or the bags don't feel as robust. But the premium quality of the material that the bags are made out of, and that the finish that we find here on the laser cut brackets, the fit and finish is the best that I've seen with an airbag system kit. So Pacbrake really does a great job with the premium quality that we see here. So this kit is designed to work with your setup today or wherever your upgrades are going to take you tomorrow. You're going to be able to inflate manually with standard air valves right out of the box. No extra parts are going to be needed. And these are going to connect easily to many existing setups. And if you're planning for like an in-cab wireless controller down the road, that's not going to be a problem with this, because this is going to be the foundation that you're going to need. It's already going to be built in for that, so you're going to be able to expand your control options when you're ready. Now, as I mentioned, the load support is up to 7,500 pounds of rear axle support, but I do want to make you aware of the fact that these do not actually increase your truck's weight carrying capacity. So you do want to make sure that you're not exceeding your manufacturer's recommended weight limit for your truck. If you do pick these up, we would love to hear back from you regarding your experience with getting these installed and using them. You can let us know your experience by dropping a comment or leaving a review on this product page. If you have any additional questions that I did not answer for you today, don't hesitate to give us a call. We'd love to hear back from you and help you out further. Well, that's going to wrap up our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.